Don't smoke that. What? Cigarettes are terrible. Try this. Huh? What's wrong? No one takes me seriously. Want to talk about it? Huh? Well, this is awkward. Not sure how to feel about this. You look fine, Tord. Of course, it's not as good as my hair. Hey, you kind of look like me. Definitely looks like an beep, Tommy. Haha, very funny, Tom. Boss, are you okay? Okay, Tord. Where's Ed?
You.
Very good. Okay, Tord. Where is the Red Army base? Crab, don't tell him, Crab, don't tell him, don't tell him where it is. Some unknown language. Oh, I mean, Youchie. Psh, he thinks I don't know what that means.